Yes, good morning, children. Yeah, good morning, children. We will continue the same topic, that is inside our earth. Last class we have been dictating the exercises. I have dictated almost 5%, 6% is going on. So last class we have discussed what are the use of rocks. Please continue. All of you, please take out the homework books. Write down the exercises. Continue with the question is what are the use of rocks? We have discussed. The rocks are useful for construction of the houses, construction of the buildings, construction of the roads. Mainly, the rocks are useful for construction of the houses, construction of the buildings, and construction of the roads. There are three main uses of roads. The three main uses of rocks are useful to construction of roads, construction of buildings, construction of the houses. Clear? The next question, please. Take down. Continue, children. What are metamorphic rocks? 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 Answer. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks, write down please. When igneous and sedimentary rocks, what are metamorphic rocks? Answer. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks, are subjected, to heat and pressure, when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. That means how these rocks will change. So igneous rocks or change to sedimentary rocks due to pressure and heat. So what I want to tell you is the metamorphic rocks here, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks subjected to heat and pressure. Due to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. Clear? That means these rocks are changing from one position to another position because of heat and pressure. So that is how metamorphic rocks also change. So metamorphic rocks are changing into igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks are subjected to change due to heat and pressure. Change into metamorphic rocks. Next question. That's all. Now coming to the tick the correct answers. The question answer is over. Now coming to the tick the correct answers. There are 4 multiple choice given. Keep adding, tick the correct answers. This is one. Second one is here. Tick the correct answers. C-O-R-R is the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Write down please. There are statement will be given. 3 answers A, B, C. Whichever is the right ones, you have to tick. Yes. Number 1. The rock which is made of. Write down please. The rock which is The rock which is made of molten magma is the rock which is made of molten magma is the rock which is made of molten magma is A. Igneous, 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 igneous. B. Sedimentary, igneous. B. Sedimentary. C. Metamorphic, metamorphic. A. Igneous, B. Sedimentary, C. Metamorphic. Answer is igneous. Number 2. The innermost layer of the earth is. Number 2. The innermost layer of the earth crust is. The innermost layer of the earth is innermost layer of the earth is A. Crust, crust, crust. A. Crust. B. Core. A. Crust. B. Core. C. Mantle. Mantle. Number 1, crust. Number 2, core. Number 3, mantle. Answer is core. The innermost layer of the earth is, right answer is core. Core ko tick karo. Give ticks for core. The innermost layer of the earth is crust, core, mantle. Correct answer is core. Next, third one, gold, petroleum. Third one, gold, petroleum and coal are examples of. Gold, petroleum and coal are examples of A. Rocks, B. Minerals, C. Fossils. That is, third one is gold, petroleum and coal are dash. A. Rocks, B. Minerals, C. Fossils. Fossils, fossils. So right answer is fossils. Foiss, fossils. Fossils, fossils. Fourth one, the thinnest layer of the earth is. The thinnest layer of the earth is The thinnest layer of the earth is A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Core, core. First one is crust, B. Mantle and C. Core. The thinnest layer of the earth is, the right answer is crust, A tick karo. Next, last one, that is fourth one. Then fourth one, write down. Rocks which contains fossils are. Rocks contain Fossils, rocks which contains fossils are rocks which contains fossils are A. Sedimentary rock, A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic, B. Metamorphic rocks, and C. Igneous rocks. Rocks which contains fossils are A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic rocks, and C. Igneous rocks. Right answer is sedimentary rock. Right answer is sedimentary rock. Children, are you writing? All backbenchers, please take down. Rocks which contains fossils are A. Sedimentary, B. Metamorphic, C. Igneous rock. Right answer is sedimentary rock. Clear? Now, so they have ticked the correct answers over. Here there are 4. The last one you make a note, that is match the following. Match the following. Keep heading. Match the following. Write down group A and group B. Write down group A. Here group B. First you write down group A 1, 2, 3, 4. Group A लिखिए please. A 4, B 2 minerals, C rocks, four A, here you write A, and fifth one is side, SIL, side, and this side write down here A, B, C, D, E. First you write down A. B group side write down A. Changes into slate. Changes into slate. Changes into slate. Changes into slate. B. Used for roads and buildings. B. Used for buildings and houses. Used for buildings and houses. Or you can write down roads. Using for buildings and roads. C. Made of silica and aluminum. Made of silica and aluminum. Made of silica and aluminum. D. Has definite chemical composition. Has definite chemical composition. Have definite chemical composition. Last one E. Innermost layer. Innermost layer. Innermost layer. Right done. First one is answer. Now group A or group A. No answers now. 4. First one is 4. 4 is right answer is here. Innermost layer. Innermost layer is 4. 4 dash right answer innermost layer. Next minerals. Minerals has definite chemical composition. Minerals are having definite chemical composition. Minerals are having has definite chemical composition. Next, third one, rocks. Rocks used for construction of roads and buildings. Rocks are used for construction of roads and buildings. Clay. Clay is changes into slate. Clay can be changes into slate. D. Sail. Sail is made up of silica and alumina. Sail is made up of silica and alumina. Silica is made up of sail and alumina. Made up of silica, sail and alumina. Made up of silica and alumina. Clear? Okay. With this chapter is exercise over. Is it clear? Right.